Hello everyone. I've been meaning to make this video for some time, and I've been wondering a lot about how exactly to say what I want to say. But I'm just going to take a leap of faith and hope that my message comes across clearly. Um, it's Navratri time in India, and all religions do not celebrate this time. But it is a time where the sacred feminine or the divine feminine is being worshipped. And I wanted to, take a few minutes of our time to notice how, in many different ways, in the ways that women were named before, there would be a word Devi written after their name. So, maybe if I were born 80 years ago, I may have been Rachna Devi. And then that tradition has gotten lost. And, maybe there are other religious practices around this which invoke our divine qualities along with our name. But I'm not familiar with all religions, so I will not be able to comment on that. However, the point I wanted to make was that it is extremely important in living our lives that we find ways to move away from the pettiness of daily encounters and connecting to what is divine in us is one of the most successful ways in which we can address our own pettiness. And I wanted to say this especially, because of COVID. What's happened is that many homes which are extended families, joint families living together, everyone used to have a particular system in place where maybe the older generation would have outings or the younger generation would have outings, and there was a way in which people had some outlet which was outside their place of residence. Now with COVID, what's happened is that everyone is spending a lot more time indoors, and the joint families and the women in the joint families might be finding this particularly difficult. And there is no proper way to speak about this difficulty. So I wanted to dedicate this short session, on how to deal with the lack of movement that COVID has created for joint families. Now, I wanted to say that it's very good practice to be able to just acknowledge that the problems that are happening are not happening because the people who you are dealing with are bad people or have malicious intent, but that the fact that no one can leave the house is causing certain situations and circumstantial problems. And if you look at it as a problem to be solved rather than people who are bad, then you might be able to arrive at interesting ways of creating space for yourself. For example, you may decide that a certain meal is to be taken care of by a certain member of the family and another meal by another member of the family. You see, because even the house help that you may be used to is not necessarily available in the same way. So all the stress of the additional household work because of COVID is likely to come out then against the other women in the family whom you are sharing and competing for space and respect with. So I wanted to put this out there and say, let's make a goal to be divinely in relationship rather than pettily in relationship with other women in our household. And let's see how that changes the possibilities despite all the restrictions which are currently in place. Thank you.